garnished and oh no, it is garnished with sauces. Wait. It is garnished with sauces of your choice. Okay. Now the final step. Serve it hot. Serve. Serve is a verb. It is the object. So now the final step is it is served hot. Okay. So this is the instructions in the passive voice. I think it's clear to everybody. Only you need to pay attention that you have to change the V1, all the V1 into V3. Carefully identify the verb and the object. Then you will have no problem in changing sentences in passive voice. Okay. Now next we shall do more practice on passive voice based on one or three worksheets more. Wait a little. Now look at the sentences given below. Can you convert them into passive voice? So passive voice, what is more important? Verb. Verb and the action. So he walked all the way home. He is the subject. Walked, verb, all the way home. What is it? Is it an object? No. It's only the complement of the verb. It's only the complement of the verb. So, passive voice. Which verbs can be changed into passive voice? I think you all know this. Only transitive verbs can be changed into passive voice. So, is walked a transitive verb? No, it's not a transitive verb because it doesn't carry any object with it. So, it's intransitive verb. It's intransitive verb. So, intransitive, we all know that intransitive verbs can't be changed. Be changed into passive voice. Okay. So always remember that only transitive verbs can be changed into passive voice. Intransitive verbs can never be changed into passive voice. So this can't be changed. We can write no change. Now look at the second sentence. He did not find a cigarette shop. He is the subject here. Did not find. Find is the main verb. Did is the helping verb. A cigarette shop is an object. So he did not find what? A cigarette shop. So find is a transitive verb. Since find is a transitive verb, it can be changed into passive voice. So what is the passive voice of this sentence? He did not find a cigarette shop. We can write this. Number 2. A cigarette shop. A cigarette shop was not found by him. Was not found or by him. We can write both the ways. Okay. Albert picked up a pen. Albert picked up a pen. Albert is the subject. So picked is the main verb here. And picked up what? picked up a pen. So this is the object. This is the transitive verb. This is the main verb also in the sentence. So Albert picked up a pen. It can be changed. It can be changed. So what is its answer? A pen was. A pen was picked up by Albert. A pen was picked up by Albert. So we can write another sentence also. I think it's clear to everybody. Transitive verbs and intransitive verbs can be only changed into passive voice. Only transitive verbs. Intransitive verbs can never be changed into passive voice. Okay. So be careful while changing and always see the tense. Always see the sentence. Which type of sentence you are given. The sentences also we will do. We'll do worksheets on the sentences. I think we all know the types of sentences, assertive, imperative. So those sentences are also changed into passive voice. Now let us do some more examples like Albert Foreman. Albert Foreman laughed loudly. Albert Foreman laughed loudly. A snake died in a jungle. Snake died in a jungle. In a jungle. You can say this. He went to market. He went to market. So only you find out the verbs. Albert Foreman laughed loudly. Laughed is a verb. A snake died in the jungle. This is a verb. He went to the market. Went is a verb. But which kind of verb? These are intransitive verbs because these are complement of the verb. These are complement of the verb. These are not objects. So these verbs can never be changed into passive voice. It's clear to everybody? I think we have done a lot on this. One or more, I think 1-2 worksheets are needed based on the types of sentences. Then we'll cover this chapter.